So my next job involves more drilling. I want to drill out these rivets here, all along the brake lines, all the way. One's here as well, to just get it off the steel so I can get rid of the rust and repaint. So I just have a bit of rust on here to deal with. A little bit on here. And a little bit on the very back. Yeah, it's going to take that paint off. A little bit of rust in spots, so yeah, should be good. Once that's all done, then I'm thinking about taking these bolts here out and getting these off. Prettying them up a little bit as well. It's an interesting looking bolt. It's gonna replace these, but I think it'll be better just to recondition them. So that's one done, 4 more to go. It's probably the easiest one, so wish me luck. second one. Woo. One to go, and this one might be the most challenging one. We have to give the spanner a go because there's no way I can put the socket in there. It's just too small a gap. The last melon. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, goes a long way. And next week you can join me. I'm going to be cleaning the rust off those suspension bits. Thanks.